Welcome to the MineX. In the last video, we host the best cPanel free alternative, Virtualmin and Webmin co-installation on the Google Cloud platform. Today, I demonstrate how to use this control panel for free web hosting with all the features of cPanel hosting. Before you follow this guide, I recommend watching this video. It explains step-by-step process of how to install Virtualmin on any hosting provider. After you finish the Virtualmin installation, follow this tutorial. Let's see how to do it. Step 1. Generate SSL certificate for Virtualmin. Before WordPress installation, you have to generate an SSL certificate for this server. After you properly install Virtualmin on the server, you're able to log into this interface. First, go to Edit Virtual Server in the left menu bar. Check whether you enable Apache SSL website. If not, enable it before the process. Click System Configuration at the left menu bar and select SSL certificate. At the upper menu, select Let's Encrypt. This is a free SSL certificate generate service. You can request a free SSL certificate for this server. There are several domain formats. Out of them, you have to select your root domain and www form of the root domain. I create a default virtual server for a subdomain. If you plan to host a WordPress site, you have to enter the main root domain as your virtual server hostname. That part I indicate in the last video. Please check it in the description. Now select domain names that are pointed to server IP, otherwise it will not generate an SSL certificate for your server. After copy and paste the domain names that you want to generate certificates, make sure you select Auto Renew. Then request certificates. You can see how the process is finished. Sometimes this process disconnects the server. You can refresh it and enter it again into the dashboard. Go to the SSL certificate section and select Service Certificate. These are the services that run on the server without an SSL certificate. You can simply copy the SSL certificates for these services one by one. Now all services and domains running using SSL encrypted certificates. Let's install WordPress. Step 2. Install WordPress script. Virtualmin already includes auto-install scripts for free to use. You don't have to install it manually. After login into your dashboard, you will see Install Script at the left menu bar. These are the available one-click installation scripts. Select WordPress, then click Show Install Options. Select the MySQL database that we created before. You don't need to create a new one. Remember to select the top-level installation directory. After that, start the installation process. This will take a little bit of time. Wait until it is finished. It automatically configures all the settings for you. Now installation is done. You can return to the script information page for additional details. You can see the host domain here. By clicking on it, you will redirect to your initial WordPress setup page. There are a few more simple steps to go through. First, select a preferred language for your site. On this screen, you have to enter a site title as well as login details. Create a username, strong password, and enter your email address. Don't ever tick mark this box, it will hide your website from search engines. Now you can log into your WordPress dashboard and you're able to manage everything here. WordPress installation is finished with a free SSL certificate and web-based control panel like cPanel. I think this is the best way to host a WordPress site with a web-based control panel. Hope you enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching MineX.